In this video, I'm going to show you how to send TikTok video to a Snapchat user. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, make sure that you have TikTok and Snapchat installed on one device and you are logged on both of that application. So then open up your TikTok and let's find a video that you want to share. And then tap on that arrow icon, and here you got bunch of different options how you can share this video to any person. So first you can save that video to your device and then send it to any person in any kind of messenger. Also you can tap on that icon, copy link, to copy link on that video and send not video but a link on that video using any messenger you want. And of course you can find Snapchat here it is, tap on that, and then TikTok asks me to open Snapchat. I tap open and now I can send that video to any Snapchat user. I just need to tap on send to and here select a person. For example, let it be that one, and just tap here to send this TikTok to the specific Snapchat user. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.